So Silliman University promotes volunteerism among its students, faculty members, staff, and even its alumni and friends. It is our commitment through the Office of Community Engagement and Service Learning that we will continue to support, build more partnerships, make friends towards establishing, institutionalizing volunteerism, and perhaps inspire other institutions, higher education institutions in Negros Oriental to do the same. And another crucial program at Silliman is we have whole person education. We educate the body, the mind, and the hearts through the various learning avenues and learning environment that we have. And crucial to that, crucial to whole person education is students are engaged in communities. So from working with communities, engaging with them, they see the reality, they see they are touched, they are challenged, and perhaps they are provoked on a personal basis that from their own personal reflection, they should do something. And we see and we imagine that every after engagement in the community, be it a co-curricular or curricular through service learning or through any other community engaged pedagogies that our professors and different programs integrate, they could become volunteers even after their schooling.